Good morning, Cohort 2. I'm just going to show you a quick video of what you're going to be doing today. And tomorrow when I see you in person on Tuesday, I will tell you more about this task sheet. But hopefully this makes sense. So today, you're going to go to Google Classroom. And you'll actually do this every day. But you'll go to Google Classroom and click on your block. I'm just going to go to 1-2 block today, but all of you have access to the same slide. And then you hit classwork. And right up here, always at the top, is going to be this ELA 6 block course calendar. When you click on it, this will pop up. And then all you have to do is, today's Monday, September 21st. So all you have to do is click on this little blue link. And it's going to take you to something called the task sheet. All right. So you can see Monday, September 21st, so you know you're in the correct task sheet. You can see the different learning targets we're going to be covering. To the learning targets that we talked about last week, I can determine what is a good fit book for me, and I can create a reading goal that will help me grow as a reader. New to you this week will be I can think deeply about what I am reading. All right, so if you are in block 1, 2, or 2, 3, you still have 80 minutes of ELA. Now, because I'm making this video specifically for Cohort 2 because they are not with me in person today, you will always look in the yellow column. Now, if you are in block 4, 5, or 5, 6, you'll always look in the yellow column at the bottom here. All right, so there's a few important things to notice on this sheet. First, you know, again, if you're Cohort 2, Tuesdays and Thursdays, and you're watching this video, you're on the yellow side. Now, you do need to know your block again, afternoon, morning. The next important thing to note is, let's just say you are in block 1, 2. Notice class time starts at 7:45. However, it says live hello message from Miss Nicolay. What you need to do is go to Google Classroom to get the Meet link. So you would need to do, and most of you already know how to do this, but just as a refresher, go to Google Classroom. And then you just need to be on time, right at 7:45. You need to be on this Meet link. All right, so promptly at 7:45 or whenever your class starts. So if you're block 2, 3, you need to be on that Meet link at 9:30. If you are in an afternoon block, you need to be, and you're in block 4, 5, let's say, you need to be on that Google Meet at 11:45 a.m. And lastly, if you are in 5, 6 block, you need to be on that Google Meet promptly at 12:38 p.m., not a.m. All right. The next thing you'll see is anywhere where it says live, you'll stay on that Google Meet. So directly following it tomorrow for Cohort 2, I'm going to read Chapter 9 of Survival Strategies of the Almost Brave. And then notice at the very end, there's going to be a check-in and closing message from myself. You need to be back on that Google Meet. I will give you a time when to be back. It's usually about the last 5 minutes of class, but I'll give you a time of when to be back on that Google Meet. We do a check-in and a closing message that day. So again, if you are Cohort 2, you should be watching this video of what you're doing Monday today, September 21st. I know it's a little bit difficult because you're not in the classroom with me today, but I'll see you back on Tuesday tomorrow, where we just flip-flop the lessons and you'll do what Cohort 1 did on Monday today. If you have any questions, feel free to email me. However, just know I may not get back until the end of the day because I am teaching, but I'll definitely do my best. Again, very important, be on time to your live class session. Make sure you look at when your class starts today. All right, thanks. Bye.